Up on the recent European Open champion, Nicky Kraus. And Shea Chia Chen and Jason Shaw locked together at 6-6. Here, Cole, we need to be on our best behaviour. They were talking about the boss playing in the tournament yesterday, but the real boss is Emily Fraser. He's 5.
Yeah, battle of the ages, well, we've just seen. Majid will go over to LQ. He'll have one more bite at the cherry to get his name in the hat.
Carlo Biado remains one of the leading contenders. And he's looking for a double because Zakis in the final, 13-4. Just the kind of preparation you want, Cole.
He's always going to be a threat in a pool tournament. Serious contender for snapping this US Open off for a second time. He's going to take the opener here.
Chris Melling won the lag, but he did not win the opening rack. Instead, it is Carlo Biado who gets off to a flyer. Hardly involved. Cream would be the perfect choice.
Beautiful break off there. No shot on the 3. He's got a potential. I think he's sizing up the bank. He's missed it. Chance for Melling.
I've been watching this table 3 days, and when players are misjudging the bank, it is always on the short side, always on the narrow side. He's got such a superbly aesthetic cue action. And when it comes to situations like that, like this, he seems to find the game so...
He plays all the games and he's always going to catch you out, Phil. He's just trying to roll on to this because the 9-ball is not on the rail, blazing what American tournaments he can make. So when you're trying to mix all 3, are you truly... Beautiful. I'll tell you what, one player here needs to try and get the 9 touching. That's what I mean. He's not even interested in trying to play a safe here. He's going for the bank. 2-way bank, of course. Yeah, nicely done. Now this...
Did not touch the sides. Length of table bank. But boy, has he made amends.
Nine ball's close. He's made a random ball. He hasn't put the cue ball behind the brown 7. It's an option as well. That's what he's played. Cue ball behind the 7. It's perfect. No, it's not. Did it too full.
Delicate.
He's trying to kick at the 1, send the cue ball into the 9 to hook behind the 5. The purple light's gone wrong. If this bounces, yeah, he can cut this. Vidio just putting Chris off. There you get a wonderful view of his cue action. This long, smooth. Oh, I was just bigging up his cue action there, Phil. He threw me off a bit there.
Badly overcut. He's been very fortunate. I think the message had gone across. Now look at this 3-9 combination.
Well, he's known for his viral pool shots. He's not scared to.
But what a shot from Biado. The three missed to the middle pocket.